wheat, rice, corn, sugar, vegetable seed oil. If you eliminate just wheat, rice, corn, sugar, and seed oils, you will improve your health 100%. I promise you. Those are the ingredients of processed food. And separately, those are the ingredients that cause inflammation in our body. Eliminate wheat, rice, corn, potatoes too, starches, vegetable seed oils, which don't really contain vegetables. That's the word that it's given. It's seed oils like canola, soy, peanut, safflower, sunflower, margarine. And you will improve your health dramatically. If you want to call it keto, if you want to call it ketovore, if you want to give it a label, or if you don't want to give it a label, just eliminate wheat, rice, corn, potatoes, seed oils, sugar, carbs, and eat everything else, which basically leaves, some vegetables, some fruits, and some animal products. You will improve your health immensely, tremendously. Give it some time. Nothing happens overnight. Give it 90 days. That's the number that people use when they say, when you're making a change, do it for 90 days and observe your changes. And I promise you and guarantee you, if you eliminate the carbs, the sugar, the seed oils, the wheat, the rice, the corn, the potatoes, you will, if you're overweight, you will lose weight in 90 days. If you have back pain, it probably will go away like mine did. If you have bad skin with lots of acne and blemishes, it will go away. Some people have to get off the dairy to do that. Some people don't use cheeses and dairy. Everybody's different. I promise if you eat properly, wonderful things, wonderful transformations will happen to your body. Just give it 90 days. If nothing happens, if it doesn't work, then what have you lost? Go back to eating the standard American diet. If you think, I promise you, you're going to see amazing changes. Now, along the way, you may have some uncomfortable things that happen because your body is adjusting. You're going through sugar withdrawal. Your body is rebalancing its electrolytes. You have to go through those adjustments. You may have some bowel issues during the 90 days at the beginning. Push through that and get to the 90 days of no grain, no corn, no wheat, no rice, no potatoes, no sugar, no carbs, no seed oils. When you get to the end of the 90 days, write a list of all the benefits that you see. Weight will be one of them, but all these other wonderful, amazing physical, emotional, and mental benefits will blow you away. And you won't stop at day 90. You will continue this for the rest of your life. I promise you. Have a great day.